Hi there, and welcome to Boltuix. We're thrilled to introduce you to our flagship product, Android Boltuix App Template. Imagine being able to design and develop stunning Android apps without worrying about the complexities of UI design or starting from scratch every single time. Well, that's exactly what Android Boltuix is here to do. Let's take you on a journey through what makes Android Boltuix the ultimate choice for developers looking to save time, enhance productivity, and deliver professional-grade apps to market. Why Android Boltuix? At its core, Android Boltuix is more than just a template, it's your shortcut to app success. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner, this app template is designed to empower you with tools that simplify and supercharge your development process. Let's explore why Android Boltuix is a game-changer. 1. Prebuilt UI Components. Building user interfaces is often the most time-consuming part of app development. That's why we've included customizable, reusable templates to cover every design need. From sleek dashboards to intuitive navigation drawers and dynamic lists, Android Boltuix offers everything you need to kickstart your project. No more tedious UI coding, just plug, play, and customize. 2. Seamless Kotlin Integration. Coding should be simple, intuitive, and efficient. That's why Android Boltuix is fully compatible with Kotlin, the preferred language for modern Android development. This means you can write less code with Kotlin's simplicity, integrate effortlessly into your Android Studio workflow, enjoy smooth performance with a language optimized for Android. Android Boltuix ensures you're always working smarter, not harder. 3. Material Design Excellence. Users love apps that are intuitive and visually appealing. With Android Boltuix, you get access to templates crafted with Google's material design standards. Create apps that feel natural and easy to use, look polished and professional, stand out in the competitive app market. From color schemes to component layouts, material design makes your app a joy to use. 4. Dark Mode Support. Dark mode is no longer optional, it's essential. Android Boltuix includes built-in dark mode support, so your app can adapt effortlessly to your users' preferences. With just one template, you're ready to deliver a dual-theme experience that's optimized for both light and dark settings. It's modern, user-friendly, and exactly what today's users expect. 5. Save time and money. Let's face it, app development can be time-consuming and expensive. That's where Android Boltuix truly shines. Save time, use pre-built templates and focus on app functionality. Save money, reuse this template across multiple projects. Whether you're creating a productivity app, a social platform, or an e-commerce solution, Android Boltuix has your back. Exclusive offer, version 1 perks. Collision. Here's the best part. When you purchase version 1, you'll receive all updates in the